Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Colossal Titan from Attack on Titan. It's just going to be his head. That's pretty much it. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. Let's start doing this. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm going to start over here with a slight curved line right here. And that curved line is going to kind of give you basically the eye socket where it is, the brow. I'm going to curve back this line backward to the top of the brow. I'm going to actually go straight up here for like the forehead. Okay. Go over here to this side. Cheek. Curve out for the cheek. Down over here for kind of, it's going to slope into the mouth area. So we're going to keep pulling that line down. And that's going to go right here into the curvature of the chin. All right. We're going to go to the top of the head over here, and it's just a continued curve, but obviously like a top plane. Curve back here for the back of the head. And then we're going to slope here for the back of the neck. I'm going to find the back of the jaw around here, back of the jaw. And now I'm going to connect these two lines right here. Okay, so I'm going to go right here, connect these two slowly. All right. Going to go here around the neck. Going to make a curve right there, kind of for the Adam's apple area. Over here, I'm going to find a line for the far side of the neck. Let's find the ear. The ear is going to be smaller than you think it is because that has to do with proportion, and it makes him look huger if he has a smaller ear than normal. So we're gonna go right here. Just kind of predict the size. You don't have to overdo it. You don't have to make it like itty bitty, but just smaller than normal. Inner ear is just this wiggly line. Gonna go here to the nose, down for the top, kind of basically that's. So we're going to connect this line right here. Basically, it's the eye socket area. Pull out for the kind of the top part of the nose, like the bridge. Down over here. Curve back. Over here now, we're going to go straight line across, down. Wing of the nostril. Going to go over here. Line in for that side of the eye socket. Curve up. Down, in. And right there. Curve in. Line. Kind of that furrowing of the brow. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to form a circle right there and a circle right there for the kind of pit of the eye. And I'm going to fill in the rest of this. And if you have pencil, it's a lot easier, I think. You can just use the side of the pencil and fill that in. But it looks a lot, kind of more, I think, satisfying when you use like a marker, something really dark, or a pen. While I'm filling this in, or while you're filling this in, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. If you like learning how to draw anything Halloween-esque, I know this isn't directly Halloween-esque, but it's horror related, right? You can consider this like a horror related series. But definitely, if you like that stuff and if you love the Halloween season, definitely hit that subscribe and the bell notification. Let's go over here. We're going to pull downward here, cut out to the nasal area, downward right here for the cheek, outward, in. Over here on the far side, down over here, curve. So basically, that's the cheek part, right, where you see the muscles and stuff on the face. Let's go over here to the mouth, and I'm going to go over and I'm going to put it like a little kind of a V shape right there for kind of the middle of the lip. And now I'm going to pull out, down. over here, out, down, kind of that. You're gonna see the teeth over here. But for now, we're gonna do the under, that's the lower lip. Down over here. Let's find that lower lip right here by going outward right there, just a tiny bit, downward, pull back. So that's like the lower lip. Gonna find the upper lip, kind of that same area, same way. Curve right there, curve right there. Go over here, downward, in right there, because again, his muscle's gonna show on the chin as well. This will be a lot easier, by the way, if you knew the muscles of the face. If you want to learn anything about anatomy, go to my Skillshare, which has a bunch of lessons. Or if you don't already have a Skillshare, if you don't want to sign up, I mean, there is free sign up. I think you get a free month. But if you want to do that, go check out sketchingeasy.com. There's a bunch of drawing lessons on there. Bunch of drawing lessons on there. So go take a look at that. Gonna go over here, sketchingeasy.com. That's the official website here. Line over here from the ear. Down, curve down here, up, and curve right here. Gonna go over to this area, pull up, over here, out, down over here for kind of the muscles showing on that area. And there's a little bit back here in the back of the head. Now we're gonna draw this cord coming from behind the ear to the pit of the neck. Just straight up like a cord. It's called the sternocleidomastoid. There's one on the opposite end. Sternocleidomastoid. Whew. Line across here for the teeth. And his teeth show on the side of his mouth as well. And then you're going to have this muscle crossing over it's called the masseter. So these are the teeth right here. Let's put those in. Same thing right there. Now, everything else is going to be texture from this point. So this is the main blocks. Now it's texture. For example, I'm going to throw a thinner line right here for kind of like a little bit of angry look, right? Furrowing of the brow. He's angry. He is angry, angry, angry. Go over here. Line over here. Line over here. Curve. Line, 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 line. And so now, see, there's striations right here, right in that muscle part. So thin line right there on that muscle part. Okay, that's one. Over here, same thing is coming down from the eye. Just a few of these thin lines in the same direction. Over here, they're going backwards, the ones on the side of his head. Over here. Same thing over here for kind of the teeth area. Kind of over here as well. Especially the chin. Think about wrapping those lines, right? Where they wrap. Same thing over here on the shoulder, kinda, not really. But you are showing a little bit of striation here as well. There is exposed muscle, in other words. And you try to draw those lines thinner, otherwise they stand out too much. We can go over here and draw a dark area here for the shadow, even though we're not fully doing the shadow. It's just a little bit to kind of give it a little bit of dimension. And then you can kind of do it underneath as well. Line over here. Curve, curve. Line, line, line. Line over here. And curve over here on this side. That's pretty much it, honestly. That's all you really need. I hope that was simple enough for you. Don't forget to say hi to me in the comment section. The last thing you can do right here is maybe make the teeth, like draw the full out tooth. You know? Draw these little hump areas to show the teeth in there. You can do it as well here. But you don't really have to do that because we kind of shorthanded it all. Thanks so much. Share the video if you can. It really helps the channel a lot. And I want to expand the Halloween channel a lot through the year. I mean, not through the year, but through the season. So talk to you soon. Go pick up a sticker before it's gone, and I'll see you next time.